What is this?
The unique OxygenZ fountain for pets.
OxygenZ?
A dual pump system which make water being saturated with oxygen. Pets like drinking more.
Tastes good.
Or it has DailyFresh function.
DailyFresh?
Yes, it will self-clean the fountain and change the water on a daily basis or as whatever you set. The used water will be drained into waste tank and the fountain will be refilled with clean water from the 2 buckets.
How long can this last for?
10 liters water for 10 days.
How the water keeps clean is?
No worry, the UVC incorporated will sterilize the water every day.
Fabulous!
Or 5 layers filtration system get rid of the impurity material, fur, heavy metal substance in water. These would cater only cleanest water for cats and dogs.
Funny, the cat and dog enjoy the same fountain.
Yes, the unique design of multi-stage drinking level adjusts the most adaptive heights for cats and dogs in different sizes. More, this fountain is an ecosystem. The water drained to waste tank is used to plant cat grass.
Marvelous! This is the part what I admired so much.
More, the advanced tech of 2.4G and 5G connected app ties your pets closely to you. Anywhere, anytime, you can check their daily water consumption. More, let me do a magic for you. The fountain and cat grass planter works also independently. It is assembled just like building block.
Darling, I love it so much. Lala and Kimbo will drink more water.